Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of achieving financial freedom and living life on your own terms? Well, today we're going to dive into how you can create a blueprint for financial freedom in 2024. Financial freedom is not just about having a ton of money. It's about having the freedom to make choices without being stressed about finances. It can provide security and open up a world of opportunities for you. Financial freedom is a goal that many people strive for, but few actually achieve. It requires discipline, planning, and a clear understanding of your financial situation. In 2024, I am determined to create a blueprint for financial freedom that will set me on the path to a secure and prosperous future. The first step in my blueprint for financial freedom is to create a budget. This means taking a hard look at my income and expenses and determining where I can cut back and save. I will track my spending carefully and identify areas where I can make changes, such as cutting out unnecessary expenses or finding ways to increase my income. Next, I will focus on paying off any high-interest debt that I may have. This includes credit card debt, personal loans, or any other debts that are costing me money and interest payments. By paying off these debts as quickly as possible, I can free up more money to put towards savings and investments. Speaking of savings, I will make it a priority to build up an emergency fund. This fund will cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Having a solid emergency fund in place will provide me with peace of mind and protect me from financial hardship in the future. In addition to my emergency fund, I will also focus on saving for retirement. This means contributing to a retirement account such as a 401k or IRA on a regular basis. By starting early and contributing consistently, I can take advantage of compound interest and build a substantial nest egg for my golden years. Investing is another key component of my blueprint for financial freedom. I will educate myself on different investment options and choose investments that align with my financial goals and risk tolerance. By diversifying my investments and staying informed about market trends, I can grow my wealth over time and achieve financial independence. One aspect of financial freedom that is often overlooked is insurance. I will make sure that I have adequate insurance coverage to protect myself and my assets in case of unforeseen events. This includes health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and property insurance. By having the right insurance policies in place, I can safeguard my financial well-being and avoid financial ruin. Before you go farther, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your own experiences of making your money work for you in the comments below. Let's support and learn from each other on this journey to financial empowerment. Thanks for subscribing and continuing the video. Financial freedom is something that many people dream of achieving. The idea of being able to live comfortably without having to worry about money is incredibly appealing. But for most people, it remains just that, a dream. However, in 2024, a new blueprint for achieving financial freedom has emerged, and it is changing the game for those who are willing to put in the work. The Ultimate Guide to Wealth in 2024 is a comprehensive plan that outlines the steps necessary to achieve financial freedom. It starts with setting clear financial goals and creating a detailed budget to help you track your progress. From there, it emphasizes the importance of saving and investing wisely, as well as diversifying your income streams to protect yourself from economic downturns. One of the key components of the blueprint is the concept of passive income. This is income that is generated without requiring active participation on your part. Examples of passive income include rental properties, dividends from investments, and royalties from creative work. By building up multiple streams of passive income, you can create a steady flow of money that will continue to grow over time. Another important aspect of the blueprint is the idea of living below your means. This means spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. By cutting back on non-essential purchases and focusing on saving and investing instead, you can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. The Ultimate Guide to Wealth also emphasizes the importance of financial education. By learning about investing, budgeting, and money management, you can make informed decisions that will help you build wealth over the long term. This includes staying up to date on current financial trends and seeking out advice from experts in the field. In addition to these key principles, the blueprint also encourages individuals to take risks and think outside the box when it comes to building wealth. This might mean starting a side hustle, investing in a new market, or pursuing a passion project that has the potential to generate income. By being willing to take calculated risks, you can open up new opportunities for financial growth. Ultimately, the Financial Freedom Blueprint in 2024 is a roadmap to achieving the life of your dreams. By following its principles and putting in the necessary effort, you can create a future where money is no longer a source of stress or worry. Instead, it becomes a tool that allows you to live life on your own terms, pursuing your passions, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. So if you've ever dreamed of achieving financial freedom, now is the time to take action. With the ultimate guide to wealth in 2024 as your guide, you can start building a brighter financial future today. It won't be easy, and it will require dedication and hard work. But the rewards, a life of abundance, security, and freedom, will be more than worth it in the end. Note that I will set specific financial goals for myself and track my progress regularly to be ahead financially. This may include goals such as saving a certain amount of money each month, paying off a specific debt by a certain date, or reaching a certain net worth milestone. By setting goals and holding myself accountable, I can stay motivated and focused on achieving financial freedom. In conclusion, my blueprint for financial freedom in 2024 is a comprehensive plan that encompasses budgeting, debt repayment, savings, investing, insurance, and goal setting. By following this blueprint and staying disciplined and focused, I am confident that I can achieve financial freedom and build a secure and prosperous future for myself and my loved ones. If you find value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to get more information on financial freedom and wealth management. There are 2 videos that I prepared for you. These videos will add more value to your life. Click on one of them and watch to improve your wealth mindset.